Hey yo, it's BenWo and I'm back again. I keep leaving, but then I keep coming back and I'm not filming this very well. But a sneaky little video in today because I thought, why not? The sun's out, and when sun's out, crisp's out. Oh yes. Takis, the famous tasty corn snack things. Are they corn snacks? I think they are. Intense flavour rolled into an awesome snack, if they do say so themselves. But this is Volcano. Oh yeah, Volcano, that's right. So I'm expecting these, well actually I'm not expecting them to be hot, but I am going to try them because I have tried Takis and the flavour is quite intense. You can only manage a few of them at a time because they're very sort of flavourful. But yeah, these are supposed to be, look, hot, picante. Going to be very hot, very hot. At least this is what they say. Face the intensity. Face it. Share it on there. Well, I'll do that when I try them, and no doubt I'm disappointed, but we'll see. Let me just open these up. Right, we're in. Now, as is custom on BenWo Views, smell comes first. They smell corny. Yeah, I'm not getting much of anything really. Have a look in there. As you can see, the bag is this big, but you get actually 4 of them to eat, which is typical of nowadays. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and rustle up one in here. There he is, the little bastard. Let's see just how volcanic these things are, shall we? I'm getting cheese, which is, I suppose it has got cheese there, look, on the packet. What's it supposed to be? Cheesy chili? Because at the minute I'm just getting false cheese. Yeah, I'm not impressed. Takis. I'm not impressed at all. These, there's no heat at all. Volcano, what a dormant one. Let me tell you something, Takis, right? Now you've angered me. Because there ain't no heat in these crisps whatsoever. Not one single iota of heat. In fact, I think I'm now less hot than when I started eating them. It's fine. I'm calm. We're good. Let's rate them, shall we? Let's get, benefit of the doubt. One more. It's your last chance, Mr. Taki. They taste like horrible fake cheese, corny things with zero heat. I can't believe I'm about to. I can't believe I'm about to do this. I don't think this is a new for the channel. But Volcano flavoured Takis is a 0 on the heat scale out of 10. There is not one single piece of chilli in this bag. There's more chilli on my sunglasses than there is in that bag. Guaranteed. And now I'm upset. Well done for annoying me registered trademark Gumbo Gibbons man. Anyway, another disappointment. See you in the next one.